Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Cara for those of you that don't know me, and I am going to be doing a room transformation video for you. As you can tell, my room has been decorated if you've watched my previous videos, and I would love for you to see what I have done with my room. So my room wasn't decorated, I painted a couple of walls and I didn't really have a wardrobe that was working because it was broke, so cats kept going in it and it was just, I had no doors. So basically this is what I've done with my room then. So we are decorating my bedroom and this is so far, and we are sanding the walls and painting them today. And Adam has put what have you done?
Sellotape on the ceiling.
No, what have you done before then?
We painted the borders.
Why? Okay. Yeah, so he's painting the borders.
Why have it?
And then we've got floor to put down too. So we have painted all the walls. And not the door because we're going to do that in a later date. And now we've put the curtain pole up and it's taken us an hour. And now we're going to put the curtains on. So the room's all decorated and the floor's down and the mirror's up. It's all dusty at the moment. So we're just going to move the bed and clear all the stuff that doesn't need to be in here and set all the furniture that I've got up. I've got a desk and a bedside table as well, so should be good. And it is very dusty on the mirror. So it is 10 to 11 on Saturday night and we have just finished the desk. So it's still all a bit hectic because I've got a lot more to do tomorrow, but hopefully, hi, hello, she's playing with a toy. Hopefully I'll get everything sorted tomorrow and then I can do a room tour for you guys. So I am just about to go on a walk with Adam and then we are going to bed because we are so tired from doing a lot of work today. Thanks for watching my video and I hope you all enjoyed it, and stay tuned for next time because I'm going to be doing a haul video for you and it should be posted on Friday. I know this one was a bit late, but please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below and tell me what you thought. Well, thank you very much for watching. Bye!
I'm trying to put something on my head. Look at me now.
I might have something you can put around your head.